Juliana, they're giving us the details from the UK. So now let's take a look at what's happening with other markets. Now we see Bitcoin there failed to break that 28,500 resistance zone, and we see the sentiment in the market also losing that 60 points, but it's still in greed, at this point, showing that, traders are still quite bullish in the market right now. Let's look at the market cap, still above 1 trillion, but down, pullback there, 2.37%, what we're seeing down there. Volume traded, that's up 2.44%. We see Bitcoin dominance sitting at 46.24%. A flip over now, see the price of Bitcoin this morning, $27,693, pullback of 1.89%, all on the back of that 25 basis point rate hike we got from the US Fed. See, all markets reacted, and Bitcoin definitely wasn't left out. Let's bring in Olumide Additional now, financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide, good morning.
Good morning, Ladi. Thanks for having me.
So I know you're at Paris for Blockchain Week. I'm sure you're having a lot of fun there. What conversations are being had at the Blockchain Week?
Well, the conversation is just we're seeing growing adoption in different critical sectors. We're seeing giants like Google, Microsoft, the NASDAQ really integrating with many platforms, and that has brought in very interesting concepts. But going back to the US Fed's statement yesterday, really brought some concern across many stakeholders that liquidity crunch might really come to play in the long term. And also the fact that the US SEC gave Coinbase well notice tells you that the Joe Biden's administration is kind of negative towards the crypto market. You could recall some days back they spoke that crypto market has little fundamental value, and you could see that the Coinbase stock as we speak is down more than 9% because though it's not an indictment or a lawsuit against the listed American company, it just tells you that the company might be in troubled waters. But interesting signs yesterday, because while we saw Bitcoin at some point going above the $28,000 resistance level, we saw that we saw that Janet Yellen, the US Treasury Secretary, spoke about the fact that banks were not going to get the all guarantee. So that gave Bitcoin some support. So we didn't see Bitcoin breaking below the 27,000 support level. So Bitcoin right now is used to hedge against many bank stocks. But the influx of liquidity in many altcoins, particularly those outside the 20 top market capitalized assets, are not really interesting. So we're seeing that lukewarm, and that's why it's pretty being tough right now for many upcoming protocols. But interesting signs, we're seeing very strong use case. Coming back from Nigeria, we saw the fact that MetaMask, one of the largest self-custodian wallet, integrated MoonPay, so Nigerians can use their bank apps to make transactions, though the market rate is very higher than even what you get in the black market, but we're seeing adoption because MetaMask plays a very big role in the crypto space, and they mentioned that Nigeria is the third largest geopolitical market. That just tells you the dynamics about Nigeria. So it's been a very interesting time, but it also gives you concern that what is happening in the United States might really weigh down the crypto market in the long term, Ladi.
That means Nigerians must be big on self-custody, being a big part of MetaMask wallet there. But let's look at what's happening with Coinbase now. They did get served a Wells notice from the Securities and Exchange Commission in the US. Tell us, it's definitely impacted the Coinbase shares. What's happening with that?
Yeah, I spoke earlier that it's down more than 9% as the time we're talking right now. But you also need to look at the fact that Coinbase has a very big and dynamic market in the United States, and also the fact that Kraken, the rival, settled with United States Securities Exchange Commission. Coinbase has refused. They feel that their tools are not contrary to the securities laws in the United States. So it's a fight that they hope they will win, but investors are not having that take, and that's why we saw sell-offs. And also, one of the pains Coinbase is having is that they feel that it blunts the competitiveness against many crypto exchanges, particularly Binance You see the fact that they can't do a lot of product listings because of the stringent laws in the United States. And at some point, Coinbase was even considering creating an overseas trading platform just to get exposure in those markets. And that has really weighed down. They don't have services in Nigeria, for example. Apart from their wallet, they don't offer exchange services, and
Okay.
that's really weakening their edge in the market. So it's really a downside for the US listed crypto exchange company.
Right. A lot of pressure coming on Coinbase this time, even though in 2022 there were issues there. But thank you so much, Olumide Additional, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for having me. Yeah.
All right, so that's how the market is looking today. Still neither here nor there, but we know the bulls are trying to defend, those levels there. But that's it for the markets, and that's a wrap on our program today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join us by 1:30 on Business Incorporated for more updates and developments in the world of business. You can watch this again, as usual, on our YouTube channel. Just flip over to YouTube, search for Channels Television. You check out videos. You can watch all our productions. Thank you for watching. I'm Ladi Williams. Bye for now.